So you can really get some nice cinematic shots with the DJI Mini 2. So if you're new to drones or you haven't tried QuickShots before, I'm going to be going through all the different QuickShots you can do on the Mini 2. The first one is Dronie. So this centers on yourself, and then as it flies away, actually it increases altitude as well to get a nice shot of the surrounding area that you're in. So I'm just going to go through this with you. So first of all, you click on the drone icon, you drag the box around yourself, and then click the button, something like this. When you are taking quick shots on the Mini 2, it automatically selects 1080p 30, so you can change that. Just click the top 3 buttons in the corner and then you'll see the resolution, and that's when now you can select 4K. So once you've selected that 4K, it will then make all the quick shots 4K quality. A new quick shot on the Mini 2 is Boomerang. So this flies away in an oval shape and then descends really fast. You get a really cool animation when it actually creates that quick shot. So I really like this one, and I think I'm going to be using this the most. Helix is similar to Boomerang, but it's really good for those shots where you've got a really nice landscape, because it centers on yourself but then keeps ascending and then pulls back to get a really nice shot of the distance of where you are. So you just drag that box around yourself, make sure all that area is clear because it does ascend quite far away, and then press go, and here we go. Rocket is basically like a selfie. You drag it around the box around yourself, it will point at you, and then it just rapidly ascends, keeping that focus on yourself. So again, this is a nice shot, generally used for people that like the video there on the beach, and it'll pull away and get a nice shot of the sea. You can create this yourself quite easily, where the others are pretty hard to do, but this is what it looks like. So when you finish the quick shots, the drone automatically returns to you, or you can cancel it and then just select the next one. So this one I'm going to actually walk towards the drone now with that Dronie quick shot again, just to show you that you can get some movement yourself and the drone will keep locked onto you. One that turned out really well. Okay, so the last one is the circle shot. Now this can track an object, or it can track you, and it will center on yourself. So you can either be stationary with this, or you can actually get some movement yourself, and whilst you're walking, for instance, like this, it will circle around you. So that, guys, is all the quick shots you get on the Mini 2. You also get the unedited footage as well. So it just shows you what it does in sort of real time, and then you can edit that yourself. So if you put all them quick shots together and you play around a little bit on some editing software, then you can create your own cinematic ways of different quick shots, just like at the very start of the video. So I'll just show that video again, and then I'll write down in the corner how I did it. So that, guys, is the Mini 2 quick shots. I hope you found that helpful, and just by being creative with your editing software, you can get a nice cinematic feel to those quick shots. And even with experienced pilots, them quick shots, especially the Boomerang, come in handy. If you would like to see a video on how I edit those footage as well in real time on Final Cut, just comment below and we can put that together for you. So once again, I'll see you in the next video. I'd really appreciate a like and a sub if you found that helpful, and we'll see you next time.